Welcome to Bell Properties, where we prioritize the maintenance and care of your Northern California rental property. Today, we're highlighting the significance of our scheduled property inspections and how they contribute to the longevity and value of your investment. Property inspections are more than just routine checkups. They are crucial for lease compliance. Regular inspections allow us to ensure tenants are respecting the terms of their leases. This includes checking for unauthorized occupants, pets, or alterations to the property. Maintenance and repairs. Inspections help us identify maintenance needs or repair issues early on, preventing small problems from becoming costly repairs. Tenant satisfaction. These visits provide an opportunity for tenants to voice concerns or requests, helping to maintain a positive landlord-tenant relationship. Here's what our comprehensive inspection process involves. Scheduled visits. We schedule ongoing inspections for every home we manage. These are conducted at intervals agreed upon in the lease and in accordance with local regulations. Detailed reporting. After each inspection, we provide property owners with detailed reports, including photographs and recommendations for any necessary actions. Responsive action. If an issue is identified, we take prompt action to resolve it, whether it's enforcing lease terms or addressing maintenance issues. While inspections are essential, we also respect tenant privacy by providing notice. We always give tenants advance notice before an inspection, adhering to legal requirements and fostering respectful relationships. Focused inspections. Our inspections are thorough yet respectful, focusing on property conditions and lease compliance without intruding into tenant personal spaces. Regular property inspections are a key part of how Bell Properties protects and enhances your investment. Trust us to keep your Northern California property in top condition while ensuring a harmonious relationship with your tenants. Reach out to us to learn more about our property management services and how we serve and protect California real estate assets.